These are the parking garage elevators here at Permer Mall in Atlanta, Georgia. These are right by Nordstrom. These are Schindler 300 AMT. One. Nice elevator. These are made with windows, also called the glass elevators. There's the phone. We can use that if we got stuck. Here we are at one. I may not have time to get the other one because I'm in a rush, so that will be it.